how to make organic cream yourself at home. We go make inside your nyash the red one like if you want bleach am natural way. Even under your armpit, you go come dey clean. Una know the health benefit of lime. So you cut am like this. Make we use glove. No, make we use our natural hand. You press am inside like this. Not throw away the back, put am inside. You carry egg. Una know the health benefit of egg. Burst am. Only the one where you dey eat for body, e no go reach. Then carry tomatoes. Una know the health benefit of tomatoes. Cut am like this. You press am inside. E be like say we need glove. Oh no, not use glove. You press am inside. You come carry thyme like this. You come sogo am. You sogo am put. You close am. You come. You know this one, abi? This one na burger cream. You press and put inside. You press am like this. You press and put. Then you come carry small mayonnaise. You come do one like this. Make sure say e dey inside your fridge. E cold. You press and put like this. You come carry small ketchup. You come press and put like this. Make sure say the ketchup many because the color na we want achieve for our skin. You come carry small onions. You sogo and put like this. A lot of una no know say soy sauce, that one for that matter, e dey bring your skin come out. You come dey make am glow. You come open am like this. You come sogo am. You sogo am put for inside. You come close am. You fit see am buy for your supermarket when near you. Then you come carry this particular time curry. Make sure say na this particular one. No. You come carry am. You sogo am. You sogo am put inside. Remember say na this color na we want achieve for our body. You press am again, make it much. You come close am. You come carry small time. You sogo am put like this. Now the time, remember say time and curry they work together, so your skin need them. Then now make sure say this banana, you don't come out and mug all the bananas when you buy. Let them be like this. You open am small so that egg will enter inside. Come make you rusty round. Like come help you. Sorry. You get one doctor when pass, he just dey tell me say this is wrong. That's why I said at the same school we go. This one on my own school. You come press her inside like this, Zoloran put for inside. Remember this one, na be the oga pata of all of them. You come open her like this. You can't just put her into two. You put her inside. You go melt for inside the skin. So this one, now when you want make your skin be like Oyibo, now you go put her. If you don't want make it be like Oyibo, you want Africa yellowness, no put her. So me now, I want to make my own be like Oyibo. I can come out small like this. I can put her. Make sure say you don't keep her inside your fridge. You don't rot it small. You can put her. So now, the last one. You can open your salt. Handful of salt like this. You can pour her inside. You can mix her. I don't get ring. You for put small ring for hand. Like 4 of your hand will carry ring. You can mix her. Now no go kill us. Skincare vendor. Well, no go kill us. Boy. In the next 10 years, we not go to treat headache, malaria again. Now what you want to treat? Now skin cancer. See, you when no one carry your skin like that, the way God take create am. Sure you don't gather money for cancer. Skin disease they come oh. You don't gather money for them. Because the way when these people they mix cream for us these days, anywhere you just swap go, especially if you enter TikTok, FYP, cream vendor. They not going patronize me. If not Chinese cream now they go patronize that. You don't enter inside where they do that Chinese cream when you they talk. You see the way all of them take dress. You see how clean they are. Potato. So make sure say the cream where they produce at least it is more hygienic. Hell, Baba. Now so, abemuna dey careful. You when no want leave your skin the way God take give you. So if they use palm kernel oil, take the rub am, or coconut oil, make it they glow, they go. 10 years is loading though. Papa, oh yeah, I'm miss and finish. Go there, miss her. Go there, miss her. They miss her. Make sure say you miss her very well. Then you come add some more pepper. I remember. Go carry some more pepper. I wash my hand. Some more pepper. Let's add some more pepper. Oh, come open pepper like this.
Yeah.
You come, you won't care. I'm making cream for you. Okay? I want you to bleach. Even some of them now, they don't bleach the when they inside belly. Yes? Yes, I will give you, okay? I'll give you care. Where did you even see it? Oh, this is my boy eye. Wait, take. Take. They don't bleach the when they inside belly. Saloboa. They'll come on black bikini. They'll find waiting and want to bleach them. Make it yellow. Saloboa. Okay, add some more pepper. Add some more pepper. Add some more pepper. Attention. Attention. Be careful. Not be the way the skin day like this now as you day in your 20s, in your 15, 10. Not be say you go be when you don't climb 40. Not be say you go be when you don't climb. No wonder on roasted plantain. I been a roasted plantain bole just for everywhere now. You go see a woman's skin now. When we say you never even reach 50, the skin don't divide into two. They give us different color, Coke and Fanta. All this one are waiting. They used to rub the body years back. Hello. If you get here, may you listen, yeah?